When we kill off natural enemies of a pest, we inherit their work. A quote by C.B. Huffaker. Over the years, increased pesticide use has taken a toll on the insect population, and not just the bad ones. Having fewer insects in the bottom of the food chain eventually works its way up, affecting larger animals. Mother Nature provides many beneficial, predatory insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies that can feed on thousands of aphids, mites, and other pests every day. Successfully incorporating these good bugs into our garden requires that we provide them the proper habitat to thrive. Nectar-producing umbels and composite flowers provide the most attractive food source for a variety of beneficial insects. Some plants that attract natural predators but also look great in your garden include dill, yarrow, buckwheat, cosmos, sweet alyssum, coneflowers, marigolds, and goldenrod. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and praying mantis can also be introduced into an indoor garden to help keep the pest population at bay.